Hi everyone, this is Miss McBlain here. I'm going to be talking to you today about smoking and the effects of smoking and what is in cigarettes. So we have some figures here and we're going to have a look at the text that goes with these numbers. So there are around 1.1 billion smokers worldwide, smoking around 6,000 billion cigarettes each year. Each cigarette smoked contains tobacco leaves, which as they burn produces about 4,000 different chemicals, and these are inhaled into the throat, trachea and lungs. Of these 4,000, 150 are linked to disease. Some of these are carried in the bloodstream to the brain. We're going to have a look at the chemicals that are found within tobacco, and then we're going to have a look at the three main chemicals. So as you can see from this diagram, we've got lots of different chemicals, and the top, so for example you can see butane. It's frequently found in lighter fluid. So you've got the name of the kind of chemical and where it's typically found. So methane is usually found in sewer gas. You've got carbon monoxide. You've got arsenic, which is typically used in poison. You've got ammonia, which is used in toilet cleaner. You've got tar. You've got nicotine, which is frequently used in insecticides to kill insects. So we've got lots of quite harmful chemicals just here, and we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 examples of 4,000. And we're going to have a look at tar, nicotine and carbon monoxide in a little bit more detail. So nicotine and carbon monoxide. Nicotine is a drug. It's fairly addictive, which means that it's quite hard to stop smoking because of the nicotine that's in there. Otherwise, it's relatively harmless. It does lead to people feeling quite calm and relaxed and being able to cope, which means people like smoking because of the nicotine is making them feel like they're calm. Carbon monoxide, on the other hand, is a poisonous gas and it can kill. It takes up the oxygen binding sites in the blood. So 10% of the blood after smoking will carry carbon monoxide. So if we have a look at this, so this is just saying that you've got one carbon and you've got one oxygen. So mono in monoxide just means one oxygen. And it leads to a shortage of oxygen. And this can lead to a shortness of breath and also deeper breaths. We also have tar. Tar is very sticky, it's black and it builds up in the lungs. It is a carcinogen, which means it can cause cancer. And tar, it builds up and it usually typically occurs around the alveoli and it affects the surface area of the alveoli. But we'll probably go into more detail about that another time. So what I'd like you to do now is to finish this video and go back and complete the task that you need to do. You can stop and start the video as you like, and I look forward to seeing your work.